This is Beth from the McGirt-Horton branch of the Greensboro Public Library. In this tutorial, I'm going to be sharing some interactive digital resources for high school students that you can find through the Greensboro Public Library. I will be focusing on resources for college, careers, and homework help. First, on the Greensboro Public Library website, find homework help in the drop-down box under Services. Then scroll down to the bottom of the page where you will find the link to the Test and Education Reference Center. When you click on that link, you will be transported to Learning Express. We have access to all of the resources under Public Library. I will be concentrating on the section of Career Preparation, Prepare for College, and School Center. When you click on the Career Preparation section, you can choose from the following choices. For example, if you were to click on Explore Green Careers, this is the page you will see. At this point, you can register. You will need to write in your email address and create a password. The Prepare for College section has many options that will help you do some research on where you might want to go and how you can get there. Use this interactive option to find some colleges that you might be interested in. There are many options in the Student Center section for practicing the skills you are learning in school. Now here are just a few examples of practice tests in the Algebra section. I hope that you will find these tools useful. And don't forget, the Greensboro Public Library is open online all day, every day.